Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I am back after a long gap, but today when I was surfing my YouTube channel, I just came across that my last video on eye cream review got 1700 views. I am extremely happy. I cannot express my happiness because you all know that I have just started making YouTube video. Getting views and likes is so much tough. So I'm hereby thanking all of you who have watched my video. Please stay by my side. I really need your support. So today I am going to review one very essential product for our day-to-day life, which is grooming ourselves. And we all need to groom ourselves properly, whether we are staying at home or we are going outside. Grooming ourselves is very much necessary, as by grooming ourselves, our mind gets refreshed. Going to the review, I will once again tell you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I am actually going to review 3 products. My first product is Gillette Venus Razor for women. You can see it properly. This razor I am using from past 6 to 7 years. It is extremely helpful. You can move the blade portion. The top portion is actually the blade, and you can move the blade portion just like that. And this blade looks like this. It has a blue color indicator on the top. Top is movable, so it glides on your skin very easily. And the blue color strip actually is made up of aloe vera gel, and the blue color strip fades away after a certain time when you are no longer getting the optimal value from the blade. And when you are no longer getting optimal value from this blade, you have to replace it. So here comes my second product, which is this refill pack of 4 blades. I will let you see what is inside the refill. This is how a blade pack looks like. There is a blade inside it, and you will get 4 blades total. One I am using, this is second, this is third, and this is the 4th one. The price of this pack is MRP rupees 499, and one blade will last about 3 to 4 months. It depends on how much you are using it. I use it not more than twice in a month, and it lasts for 6 months for me. You can use it in your underarms, forearms, legs, bikini area, anywhere you want, but mind it, you can't use in your face area. What to apply when we are shaving our body hair. So here comes my third review, which is this one. This shaving foam, which is exclusively for women. For the first time I started using this razor, I couldn't find this shaving foam anywhere. So I was applying any kind of shower gel or any kind of conditioner before using this razor. But last year I found it I think from Big Basket. I bought this one, and the price of this one is rupees 225 for 195 gram. Last year I bought this one. This is not yet finished, and this is extremely good product. Your skin will be smooth. There will be no roughness, and you don't have to apply any kind of moisturizer after this. You will not feel any kind of dryness after applying this. When the hair starts regrowth, it will not feel hard on your skin. This is Gillette Satin Care Sensitive Skin Shave Gel with Aloe Vera. You can definitely buy this to get a smooth shave staying at home. This is basically a metal packaging, if you can hear the sound, and the nozzle looks like this. I will give you a demo how it works. I have applied some water on my skin. Now this is how the shaving gel looks like. I am applying it on my skin. Okay, you can see how much foamy it is. Because of these foams, you will not get any kind of cut on your skin. Now I will see you how it works. You will not get any kind of cut. It is absolutely not painful. When we go to salon for waxing, particularly hot waxing, it is so much painful for our skin and we get irritation after that. But by shaving your skin, your body skin, you will not get any kind of irritation. It is absolutely not painful. You can see the area which I have shaved. It have shaved so smoothly. There is a rumor that shaving is not good for your skin, but it is absolutely wrong. You can definitely shave your skin, but you have to use these products. You can see some amount is coming out from the bottle. So when you are pressing the nozzle, you have to be a little bit careful. You have to press the nozzle a little soft-handedly so that the amount you need comes out from the bottle. I forgot to tell you the price of this razor. This razor is priced at 220 rupees, and if you are going to buy all the 3 products from Nykaa, you can get a combo offer at most probably 800 or 900. You can buy them alone or with the combo pack. There is no con for me for these 3 products. This is very useful for each and every woman out here, and you can definitely try it. Please try it and let me know whether you are liking it or not. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye bye.